Let's start today with new topic which will be on PowerPoint. Today we will explore the eyedropper option in PowerPoint. Okay. So in this slide, we can see colors. As you are aware that primary colors are basically three colors, red, blue, yellow. These are the primary colors, and the combination of two colors leads to the secondary color, and combination of multiple colors leads to the tertiary color, and so on. Here you can see the color wheel, like yellow is the primary color, and when it is combined with orange, and so you can see the color combination like tertiary or primary or secondary, so and so. Okay, so in this eyedropper topic we will explore how you can create your own color scheme or color palette, extend the background of the image, and create your own text, contrast text. Create your own color contrast text. Okay, so now where this color dropper is seen. For that, I'm moving to second slide, which is having two triangles and one image which is having a color palette. Okay, now for eyedropper, just select any object. As I selected the triangle, go to home tab. Okay, under home, wherever you get this option as shape fill. In this shape fill, a bucket like thing. Okay, click in this arrow and go for option as eyedropper. Now eyedropper is on. What eyedropper is doing, whenever you hover on any object or any color, okay, it will select the same color. Example here, if I'm on this white page, then white, like this. Okay, so eyedropper select that color automatically, and if you want to add that color to this object, okay, just hover on that color and add, click. Okay, again let's do it once again. Go to fill, eyedropper, and select the color which you want and click. So this is the eyedropper. Moving to the next slide, here we can see the logos of different color. So brand recognition comes from colors. By seeing the color you can recognize that is which brand. Like maximum, like 80% is the contribution of the color for your brand. Example, you can see excitement red color, boldness red color, trust, optimism, then peaceful. Like in peaceful, whatever the health and eco-friendly companies are, those will be under green color. Okay, creative as BT. Our BT logo is in purple color because we are creative. Okay, just fun. Then move to this home tab, same fill color, and select the eyedropper, hover on any color, like suppose example here this one, hover on any color. Here you can see shell color, shell company color, yellow, and this one is red. If you want this red, then you can select this like this. Okay, similarly you can go for any other picker, color picker from this, not from this. Go for eyedropper, same, and select any for any color. I'm going for this purple. Now just click on this fill bucket. Okay, fill color. You can see whatever color we had added, those colors are visible under recent color. Here also you got yellow, but our yellow is with different. This color is with different. So whatever color you're adding from the eyedropper, using eyedropper, those colors are automatically get added to your color palette. Let's move to the next slide. Here we can see one image. If you want to select any color from this image and fill this triangle with that color, what you will be doing, same, select the triangle object or triangle and go to the eyedropper and click on that color. Example, this blue, or you can go for any other color, green. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Here we can see only this image. Okay, now what's if I move this image, I can see yes, image is moved and the background is black. You can see this black rectangle. Okay, now let's, if I enlarge this image, I want this image should be here, but it should look like this, and this background should be same. Suppose if I'm going for any other blue color, selecting any blue, there will be a difference. If I go for any other blue shade, yes, there will be a bit difference. We will not be getting the exact color. Now to find that exact color, okay, what you will be doing, still go to the fill and eyedropper. First of all, click on that rectangle object, then again fill, eyedropper, and if you want that same blue, then click on that blue. Now this blue and this blue are same, and when you hover you can use this, so it will be similar one. Let's move to the next one. Okay, here we can see two image. Now let's draw a shape called as rectangle over this. Okay, here, and control D for duplicate, and you can place it here. Now to send this back, send backward or send to back, you can do that. Send backward, same, this is the color. Suppose if I'm changing this fill color to any other, like this, now it will be visible. Okay, now what I want, same, what Airtel has red color, I want the same red color in this background, and BT has purple color, same purple color should be there in this background rectangle. For that, yes, you're right, you will be selecting the rectangle, then go to the home tab and fill, eyedropper, and click on this red color. So now you can see logo looks like this, which will be useful for your presentation. You can use this tip for your presentation. Click on fill and under this eyedropper, and like this. First you need to select the rectangle or object, then eyedropper, not from this color palette, eyedropper, and click. Okay, now let's move to the last slide. Here we can see this is the image. It has thank you mentioned here, but I don't want this thank you. I want to create my own thank you with this background, like sleeves background. Okay, so for that, I will, what I will be doing, I will be adding a rectangle or text box. So let's add a rectangle, larger one, so that it will cover the background image if you want this. Then if you want to add text, you can type directly thank you. Okay, select that text and you can make size change, or you can format it as you required. Suppose changing it to, okay, make it bit larger. Okay, and bold. If you want, you can change the font like this, and then with the help of color picker or color dropper, you can create your own contrast color presentation. For that, you will, first of all, you will select that text because you want to color this text. Okay, select eyedropper, no fill, eyedropper, and click. So this will be the color. All right, background color changes as you selected the object. Similarly, select this object and go for eyedropper. I want background should be this, and you can change the font color to the contrast one. So this was the small learning of the day. Thank you for watching. Have a nice